Ultimate Collection Football. Nice stuff. We're going with random letters on this one. We got 20 spots. There's one combo spot, N and V, and then there's 5 letters that are not included. All right? I'm going to random the boxes first. I'll use the same roll of dice for everything. We're going with 2 dice. I got boxes 1, 2, 3, 10, and 14. We got 9. 9 on the dice for everything. I got boxes 1, 2, 3, 10, and 14. 2, 3, 10, 14. Don't worry though, because whatever ones we don't use in this, we already got 2 sold in the next one. There's 18 spots left, guys. I just dropped the line. Drop a number. It's not going to be in the store. I got 2 sold already. It's only $11. You'll have to send over direct. We're going to do it right after this. Lock up your spots in that one. Let's break it back to back. Whatever 2 boxes we don't get in here will go in that one. 9 times. 1. Oh, shoot. Not up on the screen yet. There it is. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9th and final time, top 3 of the boxes. We're going with numbers 14, 2, and 3. 14, 2, and 3. Boxes 1 and 10 are for the last break. They're going next. M Making's grabbing a spot. Thanks, Making. You guys can go ahead and send over direct for that one. Josh at joshbrickus.com. There's 17 spots left, guys. It's $11. 2-box break coming up right after this one. All right. We're going to go 9 times on the names, and then we'll do the letters. All right, I got M Making with 1, Stacy 1, Aces with 2, Jet Yank 3, Matt K 2, Standard 3, Jet Yank 2 more, NKY with 2, Sketchy with 1, Beans with 1, Jet Yank another, and Crowley with the last one. That should be 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, we're going 9 times on the names. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that have anything to do with lines then at Penn State? 6, 7, 8. 9th and final time. We got Standard up top, Jet Yank at the bottom. What's up, everybody? Anybody new to the room, please click follow down below the live stream underneath the ad. Be greatly appreciated. All the social media stuff is below that in the profile. The store is pretty much emptied out. We got a couple things left, and then we're getting a bunch of new stuff in on Thursday. All right, now your letters are coming up. Your letters are coming up. I got 17 spots left in the next 2 boxes of this, guys. Drop a 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. It's only $11. We're doing it right after this one. All right. We got the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We skipped the I. We got J, K, L, M. The N comes with the V also. O, P, R, S, T, W, and Y. You won't see a U, X, a V, or a Z either. All right, we're going 9 times. I'll match them up. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final time. Good luck. We got the Y up top, the F at the bottom. And I'm putting them on the screen for you all. They're matched up, guys. We got Standard with the Y, Jet Yank with the K and the R. NK, you have a C, Making with the O, Jet Yank D, NK with the A, Jet Yank N and V, Standard H, Stacy G, Beans P, Crowley W, Sketchy M, Jet W, Matt K E, Aces J, Matt T, Standard S, Aces L, and Jet F. I'll give you guys a couple minutes, take any look at trading, selling, whatever. All right. There's the boxes, 2, 3, and 14. 17 left in the next break. It's only $11, guys. 2 boxes right after this. NK, I see you now, man. We were hollering at you. We were hollering at you the whole time. You weren't answering. I didn't know what the heck you were doing. Yeah, there's only 2 O's, I know. But there's a lot of it. There's a lot of the one guy. That's why it has its own spot, because he has a lot of cards in it. M Making. That's most of the boxes behind me are most of those are empty. Those are breaks that we've done. All the up top 2, and then towards the bottom a little bit, like the hot rookies below the terrible towel. Some of that stuff is all new, unopened. But I'm trying to make a nice decoration background, you know, of everything. So yeah, dude, you freaking nailed it. You nailed that break, man. Absolutely nailed it. That Bridgewater is sick. Rogers, Bridgewater, 2 Bridgewaters. The Ebron, Devontae Adams. Yeah, you killed it, dude. All right, is anybody trading any letters, selling, buying? I'm going to get ready to rock this out. All right. I'd like to fill up some spots while we're doing this, guys. $11. Who wants in? 17 left. The next 2 boxes of this. Once you guys see it, maybe you'll want it. So let me get started. All right. All right, here we go. Last name, guys. Last name. Thanks for the reminder, Sketch. Last name, first letter. All right. First box of 3. What in the world? Guys, there's no base card in this pack. There's 4 hits, that's all. 4 hits, no base card. That's weird. Good luck, everybody. I gotta get the. Oh, I got them right here. Okay. First up, going out to the G spot. The G spot. That sounds funny. Stacy, Mike Gillespie, 083 of 199 on the die cut. The die cut booklet. Die cut booklet. Mike Gillespie. I'm probably saying that wrong. Gillespie. Nice booklet. Stacy with the first hit. That G spot. The G spot. All right. What do we got next? I am shocked that there's no. These boxes are supposed to come with 2 base and 2 hits. Wow. All right. This one here going out to the D spot. It's a redemption going to the D spot. You got like a couple months to redeem it. 2013 Ultimate Collection Super Jersey Auto. I believe numbered to 15. It's kind of grayed out a little bit. Ron Dane for the D spot. Jet Yank. Pretty hard to read. It's like faded away, but it says 2013 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection Super Jersey Auto. Numbered CD something. And then it says numbered to 15. Ron Dane. There you go, Jet Yank. Nice hit, Jet Yank. Oh, I thought we were going to have a random. This is the second time this has happened. Oh, too bad Stephen K is not in here. Is he in this break, though? I don't think he is. Wow, he would love this freaking card. Actually, no, it's not 2 guys from WVU. So, we have a dual card, but both of the last names start with A. So that was pretty lucky. Both of the last names start with A. Oh, look who it's going out to. The man of the night, the man of the hour, Tavon Austin, Keenan Allen, 50 of 50, dual ultimate patch, 1, 2, 3 color, Tavon Austin, Keenan Allen, going to the A spot, going to the A spot, nice patch. Yeah, dude, you're the man of the hour, the man of the evening. Nice hit, man. It's a nice card. Keenan Allen, Tavon Austin. Jet, you saw your redemption, right, Jet? Every car is an eBay 101. All right, we got a random on the next one, guys. Pretty nice random. I don't know. Let's see. W and C. W. Crowley with the last spot mojo. And our man of the hour in the C spot, Earl Campbell and Herschel Walker Ultimate Jersey Dual Patch. 12 of 25. 12 of 25. It's weird. This one's not near as thick as all the other Ultimate cards. That's weird. He got one. Let me have it. No, you guys got to random it, unfortunately. Good luck to you both when we do that. All right, how was that for a first box? That was pretty good. Now how many people want to jump in the next 2 boxes for $11? Drop some numbers so I can fill that up, guys. I got 17 left. And the ones that drop numbers already, go ahead and send over. Next box. As you can see, Jet, this was one of your cards I'm using the thing here for. This one feels a little thinner, guys. It's definitely a little thinner. $17 left, $11. The last 2 boxes of this stuff. First up, we do have a base card going out to the C spot. NKY with the Earl Campbell to 175. Earl Campbell to 175. Going out to NKY again. Have yourself a night, sir. NKY. Unbelievable. Oh, we got a nice one. We got a nice one, but first we got a base card for the M spot. Vance McDonald, 84 of 99. 84 of 99. Vance McDonald going out to Sketchy. That's a rookie to 99. Rookie number to 99. All right. Next up, the man that usually does pretty well in this room. He gets big hits. He's got a card coming with his 98 spots. We got Material Signatures. Material Signatures on card. Dual patch. 1, 2, 3 color. From Washington State. 10 of 10. For the B spot, Jet Yank, Drew Bledsoe. 10 of 10. Nice patch. Nice auto. 10 of 10. Nice hit, Jet. Nice card there, guys. On card, multicolored dual patch. 10 of 10. Nice and thick. I like that card. Pretty sweet. All right. Last but not least, we have a R spot. Going back to Jet Yank. Ultimate Jersey Dual. Jerry Rice, 27 of 50. 27 of 50 for Jerry Rice. Nice jersey. Mississippi Valley State worn jersey. Number to 50 for Jerry Rice. Going out to Jet Yank. That was a nice box too. I like that Bledsoe card a lot. All right. Jerry Rice. We had the oh, that was it because there was 2 base cards in that one. One more box, and then there's another break if you guys want to jump in. No, that's why I was surprised that first box had 4 hits in it. They're only supposed to have 2. Two hits and 2 base numbered cards. That's what they're supposed to have at least. For the K spot, we have a base card for the K spot. Going out to Jet Yank, Andy Katzenmoyer to 175. Andy Katzenmoyer to 175. Yep, you got the random. Yo, that Bledsoe is nice. You got no one said anything in the chat about that Bledsoe. I like that card. I don't know what its value is, but just a sick patch and auto. And next up, a base card for the M spot. Base card for the M spot, rookie Kevin Minter from LSU to 99. M is a pretty good letter in this. Going out to Sketchy. And somehow the Sketchmeister gets another card. The M spot, Don Maynard On the auto, nice card. Don Maynard on the auto. 40M spot, nice hit sketch. On card auto. How it should be. There you go. And last card in the break. Going out to the G spot. Stacy again. 02 of 35. Dual super jersey for Roman Gabriel. Roman Gabriel for Stacy. There you go, Stace. Couple cards for you. She bought that spot a while ago, too. Alright, guys. That is the 3-box break. The good news is we got 2 more to go right now.